Hi everyone, welcome to Good Taste. I'm Tangi Patton. Welcome to one of the most historic town squares in the Lone Star State. In fact, USA Today ranked Granbury the best historic small town in America back in 2019. So it's a place where you can really step back in time. Surrounded by all this history is a restaurant making history today. Calling all steak lovers. If you love a mouth-watering, thick and juicy steak with a side of history, have we got a spot for you. I love that. Oh man. Smack in the middle of Granbury's historic town square sits the uber-charming 1890 Grill and Marketplace. Here you'll find fabulous food, incredible wine, and spices that are out of this world. Oh, whoa. The story of how new life came to this historic spot is truly as sweet as can be. That's always a good sound. College sweethearts Jason Emerson and his wife Tren fell in love with the old world architecture and historic charm of Granbury. They made a move that would change their lives forever.
Saw the building, fell in love with it, went back and put a 2-month notice in with my job.
Wow, so you knew kind of instantly.
I did, yeah.
Beautiful, charming town square. And the Opera House, just a couple of doors down from you, kind of has a fun link to the past as well, right?
The story goes that John Wilkes Booth, after Lincoln's assassination, moved to Granbury and performed at the Opera House.
And I understand there's a rumor here and there that there might be a ghost or two.
We have a lot of spirits around.
Between these possibly haunted historic walls, Jason and Tren went all in on their dream of restaurant ownership to build a celebration-style steakhouse. Even with sizzling steaks, prime pork chops, and decadent desserts, they didn't hit the sweet spot right away.
We had a very tough 2 years, the first 2 years, and until the point we were about to, bankrupt.
After a rocky start, they decided to spice things up by opening a unique marketplace, inspired by a loving gift from Jason's dad.
My father, he's created this rub that has won a lot of awards. So we've won the Grand Champion cook at the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo Cook-Off.
Whoa, hold on a minute, really?
Yeah, and we use it on everything. It's on all of our steaks, chicken, and pork chops, that's why.
How fantastic. Well, that's no small feat to win that competition. And you know what they say, sugar and spice make everything nice. Today, both the 1890 Grill and Marketplace are thriving.
It's amazing, classy food, but in a place you can still feel comfortable.
Whether you're dining in for a casual catch-up or toasting to another year together, any meal here is cause for celebration.
Oh, well, we're celebrating our 69th wedding anniversary, and that is a feat within itself.
Celebrate in true Texas style with a perfectly marbled 16-ounce certified Angus beef ribeye, topped with melted blue cheese.
It's just heaven in a bite.
Or try the pan-seared duck breast, rendered to perfection and drizzled with sweet and smoky chipotle raspberry gastrique. So Tren, this is 1890 Marketplace that I've heard so much about, and literally the spices you use upstairs in the restaurant can be bought down here, the olive oils, all these wonderful flavors. I've got to try the house blend, Jason's dad's rub.
Yes, it was created 30 years ago, and it has a lot of flavors: salt, sugar, tomato, sprinkle on pizza, pasta. You can do for asparagus. You can do on steak.
Oh, whoa. You know, Jason, we've talked about all the great steaks here at 1890, but you do some amazing seafood too.
We do.
And this is a very popular dish. The seasoning on it is fantastic, and there's this little honey orange thing going on, right?
Absolutely, a little honey citrus glaze at the end.
Using high quality ingredients and amazing aromatics, this simple salmon really pops with warm Berber spices and a sweet citrus glaze. Everything on that plate looks so amazing. It's like I want it all.
Perfect, well, let's have it. Ching ching.
Oh, that's really good. So pack a bag and head out for a day trip to Granbury, because a little love went a long way to bring this beautiful building back to life. And that love truly is the spice of life.
It all started with love, and look where you are now. Well, congrats on your success.
Thank you.